Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So someone in my previous photo asked to do a tutorial on how I did this ponytail. So that's what this video is going to be. I'm actually excited that someone asked this because I normally don't do like hair tutorials on here. Like I did think I did one on a short but never a video. So yeah, if you guys want to know how I end up doing this thick ponytail, continue watching. My hair is super oily right now. I need to wash it, but I'm gonna probably leave it for tomorrow. To start off, I separate my hair in 3 parts. So I have my little bangies and I just do that, and then I do the same for this section. And then for this section, I'm gonna be using a little bit of hairspray. I don't like using hairspray. It's really bad for your hair, but sometimes you gotta do it. So I'm gonna show you what I do. I'm gonna grab a hair tie, is that what you call it? Yeah, hair tie. And then I'm just gonna start brushing my hair. This looks really good for when you're doing a high ponytail. The trick is to make sure that you got all the little bumps out of your hair, and you want to go the direction that you're gonna have your ponytail, because if you brush your hair and it's not already kind of set where you plan on having it, you're gonna get way more bumps and it's gonna be a lot harder to have that slick back. So as you can see, like I still have some bumps up here. Just gonna take that. The top is always a little bit more difficult. Okay, now I'm gonna grab my hairspray. I'm using the Redken number 16. And I'm just gonna spray where my hair is really frizzy. So like right there, right there. One spray in the back. Again, I don't like using a lot of it. And then I'm gonna take this flat brush and really quickly try to brush in the direction of where I'm going to place my ponytail. I'm gonna take one more brush through to make sure I got all the bumps. See how slick back that already looks. When you brush it in the direction of where you already want the ponytail, I'm telling you, it's gonna make your life so much more easier in getting that look exactly how you want it. So now I'm just gonna put it into a ponytail. There we go. So that's how it should look. Now I'm gonna fix any hair bumps that may be within the ponytail, because that can also tangle your hair. You don't want to deal with that. And I'm just gonna pull it a little bit to make sure it stays. Now, if you do put your ponytail up and you notice that there's bumps, don't brush it. Don't do this or don't do this. Don't do that, because it's only gonna push the bumps to the back. A really cool trick would be you would just take this end piece, put it in the bump, and then pull it back, and it literally pulls it in. You don't see it. All right, now I'm taking the second layer and I'm gonna do the same thing because I got a lot of frizz, as you can see. I'm gonna grab my hairspray, shake it up, and then I'm going, actually I'm gonna take this too because those are like the baby hairs. You don't want to put too much of hairspray in your hair. I mean, no judgment if you like it, but I don't. That's it. Flat brush. Come through that, so make sure the baby hairs are all down. You don't got no flyaways. This one is the tricky part because if you do this one wrong, you're gonna see it. So you're just gonna push this all the way back like this. And I'm just putting my hand over where the ponytail is, right? This part, the reason why you're doing in 3 sections, this part is gonna make your hair look way fuller than what it actually is. I already have pretty thick hair, but this makes it so much fuller. Okay, push the hair back, and now I'm gonna tie it over. Make sure all the hair is in it, and then if you get through this part, you're good. Your hair's, you're like halfway there, you're done. But see how much fuller that just made my ponytail? You don't want to pull this too much because you can give yourself the bumps. So very gently and lightly pull it to give it a little bit more fullness. So this is where you're at right now. Okay, last part, super easy. My head got smashed into a TV when I was a little kid, so I have a live-in part, which is useful for me because I know where to split my hair. All right, same thing. For this, though, we're gonna keep these, we want to give that kind of look. We want to have that little split, so I'm gonna just take one of the bangs, lightly spread. Same thing, I'm gonna brush it like so. Leave that there. Same thing for this one. Brush it. Get those flyaways away. Same thing, you're gonna grab your hair tie. I don't know why I always get nervous saying hair tie because I normally don't say it in English. Okay, same thing as you did with the hair back, but the difference is for this, you're pushing each bang in the direction of it's the side that it's on. So I have both sides, but I'm still pushing back. This one can be a little hard because your hair might bowl, but just don't let go of your hair until this is completely secured. So once you do one wrap around, you should be able to let it go. See? As long as it's wrapped around once, it shouldn't be too big of an issue. Same thing. All right, now I'm gonna just grab just a little bit more because I don't know why I got a lot of flyaways today. And lightly, you don't want to be hard on this because you can, again, you could give yourself bumps and you don't want bumps. You want it to look seamless. And that's it. It's super easy to do. And then if you want, what I normally do is I fill in this with a little black powder that could make it look like, you know, more full. And then I'm going to keep mine the way it is, but you can always grab a little piece from under like this and then wrap it around if you don't want to see the hair tie like that, if you're up for that. But today I want to kind of leave it like it is. That's it. It's super easy. Once you do your makeup, put some earrings on, and you're good to go. I hope you guys like this tutorial. I normally don't do hair tutorials on here, but yeah, that's it. Make sure if you haven't already, subscribe, like, and comment what you want next.